Hello, my name is Michael Price. Over the summer of 2022, I spent 180 hours interning at the Marianist Environmental Education Center, also called MEEC. MEEC is an organization within Dayton, Ohio, dedicated to educating and motivating their community in sustainability through ecology based simple living, social justice, and spirituality. The work I performed at MEEC aimed to help educate people in the community to be stewards of their land, as well as ecological restoration. The ecological restoration included tasks such as removing invasive species and replacing them with native species. Invasive species do not offer plant food source for insects within the area, and some of the species I worked to control were garlic mustard, bull thistle, and teasel. I learned through reading a book by Douglas Tallamy called Bringing Nature Home about the evolutionary relationship between native plants and native insects which feed off of them. Additionally, a butterfly survey was performed weekly, which tracked the butterfly presence in the area, which allowed me to learn and identify many species of native butterflies in Ohio. Additionally, I worked on a project with GIS at MEEC. One of MEEC's goals is to create partnership and collaboration with other lands in Ohio owned by religious organizations that may have potential for ecological and land conservation. Lands which have lots of acre, high forest density, as well as other attributes including rivers, streams, vernal pools, and percent undisturbed area can serve as candidates that MEEC can work with to educate and improve the land restoration and conservation at these areas. So my job was to create a GIS service that would represent visually the areas identified in Ohio as potential collaborators for this project. I created the visual database and it can now be used for the future. The last task I participated in was an annual plant sale. The annual plant sale works to gain funds for the nonprofit for the rest of their yearly goals. This gave me a chance to work with the director, Sister Leanne Jablonski, and I was able to conduct myself in a professional manner for a fundraising event. Overall, I was very fortunate to have an opportunity like this internship. I had known of the Marianist presence in Dayton, Ohio, and was referred to MEEC by another internship I had had this summer at an urban farm in Dayton. The goals of MEEC include land management, which I was able to help out their need for in exchange for some GIS experience and practice. In the end, I gained a whole new understanding and appreciation of my physical environment and improved my data analysis skills with GIS application. For a position like this, I would encourage others to be willing to humble themselves when they learn something they do not know. There is so much to learn from others if we are willing to listen. Before this internship, I did not have a very strong fundamental understanding of the ecology and environment and the interaction between plants and bugs and insects and the overall picture. After this internship, I can now confidently say I have a stronger understanding in the ecology field of my major in sustainability. Thank you.